Now let us see how to change the font and font size. First, how to change the font. Here I am selecting the text using mouse and choosing the font in font drop down box. When I select the font is being changed appropriately over the document. You can observe this. Finally, I have chosen the font name Agency FB. Now I am changing the font size. Again selecting the text and choosing the font size. The present font size is 14. Now I am choosing different font sizes. The text is also changing for the selected font size. Finally, I clicked on font size 12. So font size 12 applied for the selected text. Now let us see one more method to increase or decrease the font size. Already text selected, so click on Grow Font command to increase the font size. Similarly, click on Shrink Font command to decrease the font size. Click on anywhere over the document to remove the selection. Children, do you know how to subscript or superscript the text? Subscript and superscript are in small font size. Subscript appears below the baseline, whereas superscript appears above the baseline. Let us see how to apply superscript. Select the text you would like to superscript and then click on superscript symbol on ribbon menu. See, the selected text is superscripted. Now let us see how to do subscript. The text already selected, so click on subscript command. Simple. Text appeared in subscript. Click on the same command to remove the effect as you have done for bold, italic and underline. This is the equation I have typed. Now I am going to give some meaning to this equation by making subscript and superscript wherever necessary. Now I would like to superscript the 2. So I have selected it and now I am going to click on superscript command to give the meaning a plus b whole square. Now I want to make this as a square, so I selected 2. Now I am clicking on superscript command. Similarly, I am going to do b2 as b square. Let us see one more equation. Observe how I am performing subscripting the text. See, this is the change case command list. Change case. Change all the selected text to the uppercase, lowercase, or other common capitalization. Let us see how. First, I am changing the selected text as toggle case. Text already selected. So click on toggle case command. Selected text has become toggle case. Now let us see one more change case. Capitalize each word. Now let us convert selected text as all uppercase. All the text converted to uppercase. Now let us see lowercase. Click on lowercase command. See, the text has been converted to lowercase. To remove the selection, click on anywhere on the document. Let us see some formatting options of MS Word. Bold the text, or you can give italic effect or underline the text. First of all, you will have to select the text to give any kind of formatting effect. To make the text bold, select the text and click on bold command. See, the selected text has been bold. See how I am going to format the text as italic. Similarly, you can give the underline effect. Select the text and click on underline command. When you select the text, applied format effect command will be highlighted. Click on the same to remove the effect. See how I am doing. This time I am going to show you how to remove the applied effects using mouse. Select the text. Then the commands applied for the text is highlighted on menu bar. Click on the same command to remove the effect. Now let us see how to remove the formatting effects like bold, italic and underline. You can observe when you select this text, bold command is highlighted. It means that bold command is already applied to this text. To remove the bold effect, click on bold command again. To do so, here I am using keyboard shortcut Ctrl B. See the bold effect removed for the selected text. To remove this italic effect, here I am using keyboard shortcut Ctrl I. This time I am selecting another text where the italic effect already applied. Similarly, I am going to remove underline for this text. To do so, use Ctrl U. This time I am going to give same formatting effects using keyboard. Ctrl B makes your text bold. Select the text and press Ctrl key and hold and press B. Select the text. Press Ctrl key and then press I to apply italic effect for the selected text. Here I would like to make this selected text underlined. See how I am going to do using keyboard. Press Ctrl key and then press U. Let us see how to remove the text highlight color. Select the highlighted text. Click on text highlight drop down box. Click on no color. See, the text highlighted color disappeared. Now I would like to remove this font color. Select the text and click on font color drop down box. Choose black color from theme of colors. Click on the same to withdraw that effect. I am going to show you some more formatting options. You can use them as and when required. First, I am selecting the text and changing the font size. This is the strike through command. You can draw a line in middle of the word. I am going to use shading command. Shading command color the background behind selected text or paragraph. Select the text to which you want to apply the background color. Click on shading color drop down box. You can choose the required color from this theme of colors. See how the selected background being changed.